Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from your iPhone to the ZTE Blade V40 series of smartphones. And to do this we'll need to download the same app on both of the devices. So in the iPhone, and we'll need to open the App Store, and in the ZTE open the Google Play Store. Here locate the app called Send Anywhere. I have it installed. I'm just gonna uninstall it just to show you the example. Here the App Store, so we can hit the install. And on the iPhone, click on the cloud with a pointing down arrow. So download the app, open it when it's ready. We'll need to give it a few permissions, like this. Allow. OK. And since we'll be receiving files on our ZTE, click on Receive tab, and on the iPhone move to the Send. So right now you can see all of the files available for your iPhone. There's photos, videos, contacts and files. Now select each of the file that you want to send. Click on Send. Now you should see the code which you need to insert right here. There's also QR code as well as the share link. I'm gonna use the normal numeric code and click on OK. And now in a few seconds we should receive all of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.